back to my channel. My name is Yemisi, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Yanga Beauty Browlution Pencil. This is what it looks like. Yanga Beauty Browlution Pencil. And I'm going to be doing another review on Beautyline by Didi's Eyebrow Pencil in Browgasm. So we have Browgasm by Beautyline by Didi and then Yanga Beauty's Browlution. So I'm going to do a review for both today. Now let me start with the price. So for Browlution, I got it for 4,500. That's how much it's going for. And then this Beautyline by Didi is actually going for 2,000 naira. So that's the price point. Another thing that I noticed about the pencils are they are both similar in design, but in packaging they are different. So Yanga Beauty's Browlution comes in a box like this. So you have to unbox it like this. And that's what you have. So that it has a box. That's the difference between the two of them in packaging. Then Browlution pencil actually comes with a thin film, a transparent film that you can actually tear off, and then you go ahead and apply. So that's the packaging for both. Then another thing I noticed about is the designs are similar. This is black casing and this is also semi-black casing. But I noticed that for the cap where the spoolie is, it's transparent for Beautyline by Didi. So this cap here is transparent, while for Browlution everything is just pure black. So that's you can see. So that's the difference. Okay, so let me take off the caps and then we can go into the. Okay, so one of the things I noticed again about, I need to come forward, sorry. So one of the things I noticed again about this pencil is the bristles are different. So the bristles for Yanga Beauty, which is this one, is a bit thinner, while the bristles for Beautyline by Didi is a bit bolder and it's spiral. You can see where it curls. So this is the two of them side by side. Can you see? So this Browlution is the one here, which is thinner, and this is Beautyline by Didi, which is a bit more bold. Okay, so another thing I also noticed that the other side is the pencil. So they are both retractable pencil. Okay, meaning that you can both scroll up and scroll down, like you can twist them up and twist down. So this has like a stopper here, while Browlution doesn't have. Can you see that? Okay, so let me twist up and see the actual length of the pencils. So it's slower though. So that's all there is to it. This is a brownie pencil, this is all there is to it. Then for Browgasm by Beautyline by Didi, this is what you have. So if you put them side by side, like this, you can actually see how much product you have in it. So for Browlution, that's what you have, and then for Browgasm, that's what you have. So Browgasm is a little bit less than Browlution. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my skin so you guys can see what it looks like on the skin. So it takes a longer period for Browlution to retract, as against, you can see, taking my time, while Browgasm is just like almost immediate, it just goes down quickly. Okay, so that's what we have. So I'm going to swatch both now. Okay, so let me start with Browlution pencil. So this is where I'm going to swatch it. So with Browlution, it's come like this. So this is what I have for Browlution pencil. Browlution pencil. So this is what I have for Browlution pencil. Show like that. Okay. Then for Beautyline by Didi, Beautyline by Didi. Okay, so I'm trying to. So Beautyline by Didi, which is the Browgasm, it goes like that. Okay. So can you see both? This is Beautyline by Didi, while the one up there is Browlution. So I want to see if both are smudge proof. So I'm going to go over and then try and smudge them. So they are smudge proof. So I'm applying pressure to, they are smudge proof, so it doesn't really come off on the hand like that. Just smudge proof. So that's it. Okay, and then I'm going to check if they are waterproof as well. Get a bit of water and put on it. So check if they are waterproof. So it's waterproof as well, so it doesn't clean off when you put water on it. Can you see? So it's still there. Okay, so that's the test for. So I'm going to apply directly with my brow. I'm going to use the Browlution on my brows now to show you how it works. So let's see the camera. So I'm going to use the spoolie to brush up like that, and then use the other side. So I noticed that the Browlution is a bit hard, so it doesn't break easily. I feel okay. This is the Browlution on my brows. That's Browlution on my brows. So I'm going to the other side using Beautyline by Didi. So first I brush in. I brush it upwards. So I'm just going to go into it. This is a lot more softer. So that's it. So this is Beautyline by Didi, and this is Browlution. So really using concealer or whatever to fill in just my brows. Like this is what I have on. So Browlution, Beautyline by Didi. So in conclusion, in my opinion, what I think really, I think that the two brows are beautiful, but from the price point, this is 2,000 naira. That's the Beautyline by Didi is 2,000 naira, while Browlution, this is Beautyline by Didi, is 2,000 naira, while the Browlution by Yanga Beauty is 4,500 naira. So that's the packaging looks similar, but they are two different pencils. Like I noticed that the Beautyline by Didi just has a little bit more in the length than Browlution does, and I also like I personally like the I can definitely work with both pencils. I think this, you know what, you have MAC eyebrow pencil, you have MAC eyebrow pencil stud and spike, you know, so this is like stud and spike, they're not the same thing. This Browlution is actually like spike, while Beautyline by Didi is like stud, so it means that there are two different shades. This is a bit lighter for very natural belly there, skin finish, you know, that kind of thing. And then if you want a defined brow, like you want it to show, the Beautyline by Didi obviously is more darker, so it gives you that kind of finish. It's a bit, you have to brush in, because you know, if you put too much, it can be waxy, you know, can start, it has tendency of going waxy. But aside from that, something that it is nothing that the brow pencil cannot fix, I mean the brow spoolie rather cannot fix it. So they're both good buys, I like them. Thumbs up to these guys, they really did a good job. Thank you so much for being consistent. So that's my thought. So having used both pencils, I can confidently say that both pencils are amazing. They're both good. But Browlution by Didi is a bit darker. Then Yanga Beauty is a little bit lighter. So if you want that natural skin finish, like very belly there kind of finish, you can use Yanga Beauty's Browlution. But if you want the defined brows, really defined brows, you can use Beautyline by Didi. So, but the two pencils, eyebrow pencils for now, just have one shade. So it means that you can actually buy both and use both, because there are two different shades. So that's my thought. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Till I come your way next week again. Love you guys. Bye.